everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I got to work on the chicken house because a blizzard is coming our way to eastern Pennsylvania and record low temperatures. That means this girl has got to get those chickens nice and warm. Up until now, we've been very blessed with mild temperatures, but this is going to change really quickly here as a northeaster comes our way. That means the temperatures drop, lots of wind and lots of blizzard-like conditions. And so today I'm gearing up on getting the chicken house ready. So we got some straw. We're going to put some straw in the chicken house for bedding so they're nice and warm. And then it starts a real special treat that I do for the chickens when they're shut up in their house. Once the snow starts blowing, we will close the door and they will be shut in their house, and then I give them a little bit of some fun time. So what do? Well, you're gonna have to watch and see, because every day now, as the blizzard continues, I'm going to be coming out here and giving them some games and toys to play with and to eat as well. All right, so let's get to all these shavings in the chicken house. First thing, I gotta collect all of my eggs and make sure I have all the eggs collected before we put all the straw in. Now, I am not gonna take the old shavings out because they need to have a lot of layer of bedding. So all of the straw is gonna go on top of their shavings. That will add more warmth. So it's called layering your bedding. That way, you just keep layering it until it gets towards spring. So for the month of February, I will layer that, and then I'll take out some of the really dirty parts, but I'll keep layering all of the shavings. It makes it so much warmer. Okay, I got all of my eggs. I got about a dozen of them. I got about a dozen of eggs because I have 8 chickens and I didn't collect them yesterday. They will start slowing down their laying production, but so far these chickens are laying a lot. So we use an old cooler and they are going to sit in there. That keeps them really nice and warm. Plus they like to sit on top of it. I have different layers of all different things that they can nest up on. And it goes way up there and there's a high shelf in the back. Now we're just going to go ahead and spread all of this straw everywhere in the chicken house. Sophia, what are you doing? She's already trying to figure out what's going to happen. All right, everyone, I have some string and I have some donuts. And what we're going to do is we're going to make them a treat. So we are going to string some donuts in the chicken house. This will give them something to do. So we're just going to put the string on the donuts like this. Now these are stale donuts, so they're not very good. They're a couple days old, but they are perfect for what we want it for. Oh, they are gonna have so much fun. So we got one donut, and let me string the other one. Okay. So this is something that you can do if you have chickens. They enjoy stuff like this. And when they're cooped up in the chicken house, they don't like being out in the snow. These chickens will not go anywhere the snow is. They don't like it. Some chickens aren't as fussy, but there's all kinds of fun things you can do. Now you are going to see me in the blizzard, and you're going to see some other things that I do for my chickens when it gets really, really cold. All right, so here we go. We got our donuts. Let's go put them in the chicken house. So this gives them something to peck at. So this will be fun. Right now they're going through all the straw because they are finding little wheat heads. So they're actually having a lot of fun. And there you go. Oh, we got one up here already. All right, let's see what it looks like when we have a blizzard here in eastern Pennsylvania. And this is homesteading, everybody. Going out at night to take care of your animals. Filling up your lanterns with oil to give you light and keep you warm at night. Using solar. Here we go, everyone. The northeastern storm blizzard is just about to hit. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna have to make hot oatmeal for the chickens, and now we're gonna start putting their food inside the house. I wasn't thinking I need to put some water in their house so they have it in case they need it first thing in the morning. So I'm gonna go back and put some water in their house. They have some feed in there. They'll be good till I wake up in the morning. Well, the northeastern, it hit, and it is snowing. It is really, really snowing. I gotta go out and close the chicken door and head back in. The winds are soon gonna start kicking up. Woo, it is cold, people, it's cold. All right. So it's a beautiful day to stay indoors, and I am making some more of my strawberry pineapple jam. On a day like today, you don't really want to go outside very much, so we spend our days thinking about things that we can do indoors. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me as we have a snowstorm here in eastern Pennsylvania. I'm going to end this video with all of you and show you just making jam and jelly in the dead of winter. It's so rewarding, and it's a fun project when it's too cold to be outside. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.